Hey, what's up friends? Welcome back to SMC Health and Fitness. This is Syed Muzammil, Health, Fitness and Nutrition Coach. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get an instant update on my latest videos. Today we will talk about egg yolks because many people think that by consuming the egg yolks, you will get many health problems like heart attack and cholesterol. Today in this video, we'll understand about this. So without any further delay, let's get started. Egg is one of the wholesome food which contains protein, dietary fats and many kinds of vitamins and minerals. Eggs are consumed by the humans from many evolutions. Egg contains two parts in it, egg whites and egg yolks. The egg white contains only protein in it, but the egg yolk contains protein, dietary fats and many kinds of essential vitamins and minerals in it. But due to some myths, people have suddenly started to consume only the egg whites and throw the egg yolks in the dustbin by thinking that it will increase the cholesterol level in your body and it leads to heart attack. Eggs are one of the cheap and a convenient source of protein, dietary fats and many kinds of micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. People are consuming the eggs from the ancient periods, but past from 30 to 40 years, the egg yolk consumption is being decreased and egg yolks are considered as bad for our body because American research team published a statement that egg yolk contains saturated fat and saturated fatty foods will increase the cholesterol level in our body, due to which people started to consume only the egg whites. But over the years, this was proven wrong by the same American research team who said that saturated fats are not good for our body and cholesterol present in the egg will increase the cholesterol level in our body. Later, the American research team removed that old statement and published a new statement by telling that dietary cholesterol will not increase the blood cholesterol level in our body. But still, people are believing that egg yolks are not safe. Multiple researchers and studies has proven that saturated fats and dietary cholesterol will not increase the cholesterol level in our body. But still, many trainers and dietitians are giving the wrong information, due to which people are wasting one of the highly nutritious food. Saturated fat and cholesterol present in the eggs will affect only for those people who are suffering from already a heart related problems, not for everyone. Egg yolk has many health benefiting properties like anti-inflammatory property, anti-cancer properties, immunity boosting nutrients, lowers the blood pressure, improves the eye vision. Egg yolks are considered as one of the best nutrient to improve our eye visions. The main reason is for which people are throwing the egg yolks because it contains saturated fat and cholesterol. But note this point guys, egg yolk contains dietary cholesterol. Dietary cholesterol is different and blood cholesterol is different. Many studies and researchers has proven that dietary cholesterol will not increase the blood cholesterol level. Blood cholesterol is different and dietary cholesterol is different. And dietary cholesterol has its own other benefits also, like it helps to increase the HDL level in our body, the high density lipoprotein, which is a good cholesterol, and it even helps to lower the LDL level, low density lipoprotein, which is a bad cholesterol. So I hope the cholesterol myth is clear now. Now we shall talk about the saturated fat. Saturated fats is also a very much important for our body. It regulates the hormone productions in our body like testosterone, which is a male hormone, which is very important to build lean muscle, improve the sexual power, improve the hair quality, and it also helps in the production of HGH hormone, the human growth hormone, which is very important for the growth and development of our body. Egg yolks are also very much important for the women in their monthly cycle because it contains a good amount of iron in it. Egg yolks are also very much important for the people those who are suffering from the thyroid imbalance because it contains sodium, iodine, potassium and many other nutrients in which the thyroid people are already in deficit. So as you see, there are so many health benefits of egg yolks. After knowing all these things, if you still throw the egg yolks, then you are just wasting your money. So egg yolks are 100% safe. There is no any problem of heart attack and cholesterol if you consume the egg yolks. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, don't forget to like my video, share with your friends and family. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss these kind of informative videos. See you on my next video. Take care guys. Eat clean, be active, live healthy.